Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings. Of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with a secret code. We have to open the dialer because this is the place where we can enter it. And now let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers, and it will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to enter about phone. It should be at the very top of the list. Now let's enter all specs. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the status. And as you can see, after scrolling down, you can see the both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on model and hardware. And as you can see, the serial number appears right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.